am
Yeah.
working. No, I really do want to get one of these.
I'd
but
like
people
to,
always
yeah.
freak
Let's
out.
go ahead. It's fast. Hold on, hold on.
Is that one? Oh,
This one right here, we got camera.
Oh, he's got it facing me. Why are you facing me?
Got some range on it. Yeah, it's fast. I mean, for a little tiny. I actually use this for kiteboarding when I'm a hurricane. Yeah, and now it's still flying, man, and that's the reason why I recommend this. It's around like, if you get this with a controller,
$800.
nah, you can get it for like $400 now. Yeah, there's on sale.
I need your card.
Yeah,
Or give
see?
me your number. 'Cause I'm gonna buy one of those.
But it's good. No, you can get them anywhere. You just go DJI.com, or you can go to Target or Walmart, you know. But you want to get the controller, because the controller will give you the range.
Like how much
Yeah.
in the range?
It's gonna get you a lot of range. It's gonna get
I mean,
you
what happens if it
about.
goes too far? Is it gonna crash in the water?
No, it got obstacle avoidance.
Oh, it's gonna stop
Yeah.
where it is, kind of hover
Yeah,
until you
you
get
hover.
close?
Yeah. See like
that's
right now.
See, I would think it would
See,
crash
look
in the
at it.
water, I'd lose it forever.
That's what I thought.
So, you know, if you're gonna go ahead and go to you, see right now. See?
Oh, it won't.
Yeah, he got obstacle avoidance on it. Yeah, but it's pretty quick. He'll do some flight modes, you know.
Well, see, I think it's cool. Like
Yeah.
parades, like my church had like a carnival,
Yeah,
and of course they made a video, but they were flying.
and then
over
you can
everything.
do after this you can also do active track on the duck. I should
Oh,
it
you
to
key in on the duck and it stay on them.
Yeah,
It's gonna follow the duck around and freak
yeah,
them out. Duck
and then
out.
no, not really. He got this how you call this? Where's the duck at? Yeah, I mean, you know, you pay for what you get basically. And I got, you know, and then now you can use like
Regular
the iPhone.
Samsung?
It's an iPhone XS.
Oh, that is.
Yeah. It's the
I know y'all
Yeah.
gonna make me get an iPhone. I don't want to. Oh, I see it. It's up there.
yeah, it's out there just flying around. Yeah, but like I said, it's fun.
So you gonna
You can actually land it in your hand. You know, you just that's it.
see this one? I think I'm gonna.
And then
So
and
it's
then,
CL. What? Say it.
it's DJI.
DJI.
DJI. Yeah. And it'll do the job, and then you can do some videos once it's done. Yeah, so it's cool.
I love it.